If you drink Coca-Cola, then you will love today's homemade trick, since it is very simple and it will save you a lot of time and money. When you open a product packaging, it is usually a bit difficult to dispense the food without it being thrown away. And when it comes to saving, most people look for a way to avoid it from being left open, either by putting some hooks on it or making some knots. These methods are not very effective, since you can leave some holes that allow insects to enter, or even between oxygen and damage food over time. But don't worry, with today's trick you will avoid all those problems. The first thing you should do is take an empty bottle of soda. With the help of a knife, cut at the point I am showing you on the screen. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so I can say hello at the end of the videos. Once this is done, save it to use later. It is important that when you save, you do it with the lid. Now choose an old packaging of those you already had open. The next thing you should do is take the plastic bottle head you had saved and place it in the mouth of the container in this way. Then take a match or lighter and pass it around the mouth of the lid of the bottle. What this does is adhere the plastic to the lid, turning it into a dispenser. It is important that you are very careful when doing this, since we don't want you to get burned. Look at how good it looks. Now what we will do here is to easily dispense the food so you can see if it works. Once you have finished dispensing the food, you just have to cover it. It will be well sealed and free of bacteria. Now every time you drink a soda, you will know what to do with its lids. If you know any other trick with plastic containers, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Isela Suyapa from Honduras and for Luz Velasquez from Guatemala. Thank you for watching our videos. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings. Until next time.